Okay, let's learn how to program this beat for mathematics by Mosdef. First thing, the tempo. It is 93.5 BPM. I can set that in Logic here, but on GarageBand, I've got to stick with 93. There's no halves. So my loop's going to be a little bit out when I put my track with it. If you can on your program, set it to 93.5, obviously 4/4 time signature. Okay, next thing, we want to make sure that we set the length of our sequence to 32 steps or 2 measures. Finally, we want to add a light swing. So I'm going to go for a 16th note swing, very, very invisible. Finally, the pattern, it goes like this. Sequence A, sequence B. There's the kick part. And as you can imagine, the snare is going to play on 2 and 4 in both measures. So there's the kick and the snare for the A and the B. And finally, throughout the A and the B, the hi-hats are playing 8th notes the whole way through. Because of that light swing, it gives it that pumping vibe. Let's check it out. Cool. So there is a final other part that's in the song. There's a side stick that hits just off beat 1 like this and here, and it repeats the same thing in this measure, so you get this sound. It's not using that snare sound, it's using a side stick. I'm sure you'll be able to swap your sounds around to accommodate that. So let me show you what I've got here. If I flip to my tracks view, I've separated out my kit, so I've got my kick, my snare, and my hi-hats all on separate tracks, and my side stick here on a separate track as well. And the reason I've done that inside GarageBand is so I can mix my sounds, get a little bit more fidelity in the audio, and I've added a double snare track just to thicken that up because it's a fat snare. So let's have a quick deek. Let's drop in Mos.
Charlie hustle, 2 for steady rock, 3 for the 4 coming live, future shock, 5 dimensions, 6 senses, 7 firmaments of heaven and hell, 8 million stories to tell off the Charlie hustle, 2 for steady rock, 3 for the 4 coming live, future shock.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe for more beats. Catch you next time. Peace.
Bucka, 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 bucka.